threading the 1591. I don't remember if I made one of these already, so I'm going to do another one in the new style that I'm doing. So all of the threading happens on the end of the machine. So from the spool pin, there's a hook here, and then it goes around the back of the tensioner, and then you need to go under the spring, the take-up spring on the tensioner, and then I like to hold the string tight, or the thread tight, so that you can pull it and get it to pop behind this hook. And then it goes through the take-up arm and down. There's a guide on the front side here, and then the needle bar has a thread guide right below the screw, and then the needle threads out from the inside out because the groove, let me see here. Yeah. The flat is on this side, which means the groove is on the inside of the machine. And so the thread goes out the needle. There we go.